How to make everyone can see your profile picture on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make everyone can see your profile picture on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings, and here just click not settings, click on your profile here and then click on your profile picture and click view profile picture and then click these three lines in the top corner and click edit privacy. Now just select public, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.